Take a ride in the 2021 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.